Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Discord where you normally use it. Desktop app or browser works fine. Once open, click your profile picture and then the settings gear so you can change preferences. You want app settings, look for language listed there. On mobile, it's under settings or general. Do this now so you're positioned to make the switch. Changing language is a UI preference, so it won't affect your messages, but it changes menus and system labels immediately. Now you open the language drop-down and scan the list, or type a language name to filter faster. You select the language you want and confirm. Discord applies most translations instantly, which helps you check if menus read correctly. Make sure to note if any locale differences affect date or number formats. Those can vary by language choice. If Discord prompts for a restart, do it. Otherwise, simply navigating menus will reveal which strings updated and whether you need to refine your choice. Finish by verifying the new language across important menus like channels, notifications, and privacy. If you still see mixed languages, try toggling back and forth, then restart Discord. That often forces complete translation. If problems persist, clear Discord's cache or reinstall the app to remove stale UI files. One key troubleshooting tip: if language keeps reverting, check for a company-managed account or server-level overrides. Those can lock certain UI elements and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.